Okay, this looks like Loopy Pro on a Mac, but it's not. I'm cheating. I wanted to use a Stream Deck as a MIDI controller because I just think they're pretty neat and convenient, and I think the lights show up better in bright light, even though they're less nits than like a launch pad or something. It just is a backup if you want. This is how I set it up. I set it up in like just to mirror the Loopy screen there. And then I set up profiles. I've only started filling in my stuff here. So I have my synths, and I got just 5 synths I picked, and then I can go back. Profiles, keys, I got my keys that I can pick. These aren't on the in Loopy yet. I haven't even put them in yet. Profiles and percussion, profiles, hardware, profiles, FX, all that stuff. But the way it works is, the way it works is, I got one programmed in here. So let's say if I go to here, to my synths, all my synths are muted right now. So I'm gonna unmute my Cyclops, and then I'm gonna go into Cyclops here. And then if I wanna open up its interface, I do that. And then I have my presets set here, down here. So as I got 1 through 5, I could put in as many as I want, I suppose. So as I hit them, I can scroll through my presets, find one I want. Then I can close that, go back into my Loopy profile page, and then I can start playing that synth and record it. So let's see if I can do it with one hand here. So it's not going to sound good, but. Then if I went back into profiles again, into my synths, and into my Cyclops, open them up, pick a different preset, go back to profiles again, and close one, go back to the Loopy. I know this seems like a lot of steps, but it'll go down quicker. And then I should be playing a different synth now. Doesn't sound like much, but you get the idea. And then I can mute, play, I can pause, play, I can clear, back in my profiles, and here I even did some volume controls. I can bring it up to the max, bring it down to the minimum, then I set some to nudge it up, 10 decibels at a time. One thing I found on this, if you nudge down and keep going past below 0, you can't nudge back up. So I had to set at one point above the bottom, my minimum, and then I was able to nudge up. I don't know if that's by design or what. So if I hit minimum, I can nudge up. if I keep nudging down, I'm not able to nudge back up. I have to hit a minimum again and then nudge up. But I can go all the way up and still nudge back down. No big deal. But that's it for now. And I think the Stream Deck will be good when it comes to the Mac. I'm cheating right now. I'm just mirroring my iPad over to this iMac, and this Stream Deck is actually plugged into another Mac that is sending the MIDI over to the iPad through a dual interface. But I'm pretty sure I can send it over a virtual network. It's just the new Mac that I just got. The Wi-Fi module is busted in it, and I'm waiting for a replacement, so none of that neat stuff works right now. Anyway, that's my way too long video.